lokaptagi case amaga mari lainana police remand da laiba NSNIM gi maru oiba mioi ama ngasi nongalamdaida nanthokuna chenkre chingnaba mafom singda park sanati bohumba gi thabak chathari July 3 ta Hairokta political party amana sinduna pangthokpa thoram amada education ace ki director na saruk yaduna party ki ming thaba certificate ta khut ek pi bahabasi All India Services Conduct Rule 1968 khongoi nabani haina Hairok Block Congress Committee na yaning taba phongdokre Police ubada angang singda aki akhang leitanaba loinana angang singi oiba case sing lakpada mipai dana angang sing aduna makoina phongdokningba aningba apamba phongdokjaba ngamjinabagi pandamda Thawbal district ki police station tarukta ngasi child friendly police station sing hangdokre JSC against the forceful eviction at Tarung Guigalung na Forest Department na ngarang yum amadi dukan kaya sidoktuna tankhaibabu yaningdaba phongdoktuna amadi thudekiba dukan sing amuk hanna sagadabani hairaduna wakat mifam phongkre All Maitai Pangal Student Union of Manipur gi khoisaunarba thomi sengnang asi Lilong Mayai Lekai dalaiba Primary Health Sub Center staff sing chang naina kadre haiduna wakatuna lakwa du laingak na tabiraktabdegi ngasi solon sinkre All Manipur selected 2000 candidate police constable 2013 batch na ngasi ahing nongyai dagi numit nini national highway da total shutdown lauthokiba adu ngarang ahing posting pirakpadagi handokle haina loop asina phongdokre State Agricultural Management and Extension Training Institute Department of Agriculture Manipur sinduna climate resilient agriculture for ensuring food security haiba hiramda lomi singtagi oiba training program ama lomi humpurom na saruk yaduna ngasi pangthokre Lilong Police Station ki manung channel aiba Lilong Arapti Iril Turel gi Torbanda overdose oigani haina chingnaba thogdok amada chahi 18 khakta ngairiba nupa macha ama laikidre hairi asiba haksang jenin smoke ta postmortem tawruba tungda imung manungda sinaragani hairi National Institute for Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities na State Commissioner for Persons with Disability Government of Manipur amadi Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons Manipur aniga kusam naduna disabled oiraba miyoi nimpuga tare romda teaching learning method TLM kit sing yanthokre Thawbal District ki Leirongthel Ningel Gram Panchayat na Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee WBCC Manipur ga khusam nadra ngasi Gram Panchayat asigi manung chanba kakmayai panthoibi laikolda uchara sing thabagi campaign jathakre Jennings Hospital Pharmacy Association amadi Jennings Blood Bank anina khusam naduna blood donation camp ama ngasi Jennings Blood Bank ta pangthokre ngasi pangthokiba donation aduda punna miyoi marfu romna I dan tawki Manipur Lenga ki Disaster Management Institute Relief and Disaster Management Department asinduna Disaster Management gi matangda nomugi oiba training program ama ngasi Sawaima Higher Secondary School Thawbal da pangthokre Hokiba numit kharani asida nong leptana tabadagi yumthang nariba Assam da ising isau gi phibam lusilakli maru oiba turel anambagi ising gi imai khudong thiningai oiba changdagi hena cheli